What's guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a first update on my next project, and I've kind of forgot to do my first update on this when I first started. So my bad guys, I'm so sorry about that, but I'm sure you probably won't care about this kit too much. It's a Tamiya kit, and this is the Mark 5 Toyota Supra custom from Tamiya. It's a very nice kit. It goes together super well as typical Tamiya. Let's go ahead and show you what we've done to it. So everything is in paint, obviously. We got a chassis and interior done. We just did body work. I do have a painted video of the body, so don't worry about that. I do have that covered. But let's go ahead and show you like the stuff that's done, and then we'll show you the body and stuff. So here is the chassis. Again, it is a curbside kit, but not too big a deal because this kit, you know, this car has a big engine cover. You can't really see the engine anyway, so I'm not really too nitpicky about the engine in this one. But the chassis, as typical with Tamiya, these things are absolutely fantastic. Everything on the chassis is molded separately. Your whole front suspension and steering. Yes, it does have opposing steering, which is cool. So that's cool. Your exhaust is separate, so pretty much everything down here is separate, and you get your awesome not transmission, that's your diff and stuff. All that is back there separate. That's a nice little assembly back here. This part right here is actually a model itself. I mean, you can really detail that if you really want to. I'm just basically keeping this box stock. We did titanium gold for the exhaust. That's what the instruction manual said. So did that, and it looks pretty cool with the titanium gold. Usually I do that in like a silver or aluminum or something like that. But all this other stuff is matte aluminum or dull aluminum, you want to call it. So that's pretty cool. And then where the exhaust heat shield is, you want to call it, that's titanium silver. So just give it a little contrast, and yeah, it looks pretty good. We did some dry brushing down there, like you driving it, so it's all scraped up and stuff. So pretty neat. And yeah, so the chassis details are actually pretty good. You can really, if you want to take this to shows, you can really put a mirror under here and you can show off the chassis. There's nothing to be embarrassed about this chassis because this is really nicely detailed. So wicked cool. So we got that. Here is the interior. I just finished this up yesterday during the Coca-Cola 600. This is pretty nice. It's a really nice assembly right here. There's no seat belt or anything here because, like I said, I keep this box stock. This kit was actually given to me from scaleriders.com. There is a coupon code that is actually going to be for free shipping, guys. He has updated my coupon code, so there it is on your screen. Scan the QR code if you are on tablet or on your TV or whatever. Scan that coupon code or go to scaleriders.com, which is linked down in the description box below, and type in N.Y.S modeling for your coupon code, and that will give you free shipping, which is awesome because shipping these days is getting a little pricey. But here, once again, here is the interior. Really nice interior. Basically all the brown on here is molded separately. I mean, you have a multi-piece seat. You have a multi-piece like center console and stuff. You have a little chrome for your seat in there, inserts and stuff. Even your like armrests and stuff on the door panels is separate. And over here we did that in the leather brown. So the color is what is it? It's blue. It's black. We want to call it. And leather brown, you want to call it. So pretty neat. We did some flocking for the interior. You do have a choice of left and right hand drive dashboards, of course, for being America. Did obviously with my left hand drive, typical. We did a little bit of carbon fiber on the center console, like this car offers in real life, and it's glossy in real life as well. So we did it in glossy carbon fiber from Scale Motorsports. We just did that, and then went over it with 2K clear, which looks really good. And then yeah, and all the screens and stuff, you can see it's all glossy. There we go. So we did that actually in some new stuff, Markwell Gloss, and this stuff actually really nice. I mean, that gloss with that touch screen, really nice. Even the gauge cluster you can kind of see over there, these are kind of guided glossy. So that looks very good. This stuff works fantastic. My first time using it, I never bothered buying it, but I bought it at AAA Hobbies, and oh my gosh, that stuff is awesome. They do also have a matte and a satin, which is so cool. We did the matte on the speakers and stuff. Well, you can't really see it anymore, but the speakers and stuff, we did it in the matte because the speakers are usually matte on the real cars and stuff. But yeah, so really nice interior, absolutely fantastic. Like I said, we're not doing any seat belts because we're just basically keeping this box stock, but really nice interior, fantastic. So I'm really happy how that thing turned out. And then the body, here is the body color. It looks really good, and this is actually a new color company I was dealing with. This is from Tropical Glitz. There is the name of the color right there. Really nice green. It has a really nice metallic look to it. So fantastic. I just actually got this at N.Y.S a few weeks or a month ago, I should say, almost. Jeez, almost a month ago. So I do have a painted video coming out, and this color really fantastic. And I gotta tell you guys right now, I am human. I am not a robot, because people always say, man, your paint jobs always turn out good. No, they don't half the time, because look at this. Look at all that trash in the clear coat. I don't know what was going on. And my airbrush was completely clean. So it must have been like a humid day. I don't know. But there is trash all over his body. So not a big deal. We're going to go ahead and get this thing wet, sanded, and polished out. But I just want to tell you guys right now, I am human. I'm not a robot that's painting these bodies. People always tell me, like, man, your bodies are out so good. You must be like a robot or something. But no, look at that. That is probably the most trash I've ever gotten in the paint job in a very, very, very long time. So, but that's a big deal. We'll get that wet sand out and get that polished up. It's pretty much everywhere on the body. I mean, the door doesn't look too bad. I think I got something over here. I mean, there's a lot of stuff in this body, in this clear coat. It must have been like a humid day or something. I'm not sure. Yeah, there's a pivot right there on the A pillar or B pillar, you want to call it. But not too big deal. There's one on the door right there. There you go. So, but not too big a deal. We'll get this wet sand. But look at the metallic in this paint. Looks really good. It has like a light green metallic into it. It looks so cool. So I think it's appropriate for the custom version of the Toyota Supra that Tamiya brought out with. But we'll get that wet sand in. We'll probably do that tonight and stuff. And then with the custom, you are getting like custom like side skirts, like a lip spoiler to go on top of the main spoiler. I believe this is separate. This is new as well for the back end. You're getting different panels for like behind your door and stuff. This is a little bit different. So it's a little bit difference between this kit and the regular Supra that the Tamiya has, which is the red art box. But pretty cool. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this on carbon fiber. I might do a little bit carbon fiber. I'd like to do the side skirts and stuff, like all the main stuff, carbon fiber, just kind of give it a little contrast. But we'll see. Maybe we'll keep it in this like carbon, like raw carbon look, because I did it in carbon from by Meg, which is what it actually is, carbon fiber. So it's just like raw carbon. So, but I'm not sure if we'll keep it in this or I'll actually just do some carbon fiber decals on it. I'm not sure yet. We'll see how lazy I am with this build. But no, this build is actually really good. And here is the wheels and tires. This is actually jet black from, I think it's Duplicolor or something like that. That's in like a big, ounce can, 1 ounce can. And this thing worked good. There's no clear coat on this. It's just straight out of the airbrush. I mean, yeah, jet black looks really good. So I kept it in that. It has that like semi gloss look to it. It looks really good. So that's the rear tire. Here's the back one. So pretty cool. And there's a little insert arrows in there, and then it has a GR, or you can do like a Toyota emblem on there if you want. But really cool. So yeah, we're keeping this kit pretty much all box stock. And if I do carbon fiber, of course, well, that's pretty much the only thing that's a little bit aftermarket on this kit. But really awesome kit, really fun kit, and I do recommend getting the Toyota Supra, the Mark V. I mean, not my typical favorite car from Toyota, probably one of my least favorite cars from Toyota. But this body style looks fantastic, but I just don't like how they use BMW stuff, like the engine and stuff in this car. But I did hear the next Toyota Supra, they're using all Toyota stuff, which is what it should be, because but all right guys, that's it. Again, coupon code is on your screen, to scarewires.com. that gives you free shipping on your entire order, which is awesome. So Ecker, thank you so much for that new coupon code. He is updating it, so that's the same coupon code, N.Y.S modeling, all capitalized letters. It just has free shipping instead of 10% off. Free shipping is actually probably gives you a little more of a discount than the 10% off. So pretty neat. But all right, guys, that's it. Next time you see this might be a final. Who knows? I didn't really do an update on it because then again, I kind of forgot to do it because I went straight into paint because it was a really nice weekend when I'm painting this thing, and I totally forgot to do an update video. But other than that, I'm sure most of you probably not really too care because it's a very simplified kit. I mean, there's not really much to explain on the first update to just tell you what colors I'm going to paint it in. So, but who knows, maybe it'll probably be a final review video when you guys next time you see this. There is a painted video. I did a painted video on the body, so you'll probably see that probably next few weeks. I'll probably edit that video when I'm done with the build and stuff, and you will see that. But alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and until next video, we'll catch you next time.